everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to make image you want. And in this video, we creating from ChatGPT and put into Google Drive. First of all, we need to add a submission to get your choice image, and we need to add on from submission and add image. In this, we need to add a name, food, emoji from submission. Sure. Okay, here's the name, and we need to add on this. We need to add all the title and everything. We need to add submit food item, and in this we need to add enter food name you want, and you can create your food and everything. In this we need to add a food emoji without you like a generate, and in this we need to add in place order we need to add a green apple. And okay, we need to save it, and the requirement field is required, and we need to start it. Okay, it's execute, and here we go. All the things was good, and we need to cross it and stop. Okay, we need to back, and in this we need to add edit field. Here we go, the edit field was here, and in this we need to add JSON form. Okay, in this we need to add JSON form. Okay, in JSON form we need to add this URL code that is too long. Okay, here is the code, and we need to extend it. Okay, we need to go on big page, and you can get a screenshot and everything you want. Okay, we need to see. Okay, in this we need to add more things, like we need to add in this we need to see edit field was manual. Okay, in this we need to add. Okay, we need to see it carefully. Okay, we need to delete this again. Okay, we need to see. Okay, in this we need to add. Okay, in this we need to add JSON form. Okay, in this we need to add this form. Okay, in this we added all the things we need, and in this name we need to add JSON generation, and string was going same, and we need to execute step. We need to start, and I need a blue apple. Your choice. You need. Okay, starting, and here we go. It's give me a phone name and all the things. It's give to ChatGPT. Okay, in this we need to add ChatGPT. OpenAI. Okay, here you go. OpenAI, and we need to add message model. Okay, in message model we need to choose a model. I have 4 mini, and we need to see. Okay, 4 mini. In this we need to add this, and we need to put on this. Okay, and this we need to add output contain as JSON, and we need to start it. First we need to pin it because I don't need to again. Okay, we need to start it. Okay, it's starting, and it takes some time. Okay, it's creating, and here we go. It's giving me all the data. And second step. Okay, we need to add some sheets. Okay, in this we need to create a. Okay, in this note we are creating. Okay, in this we creating in input equals to input equals to and take form. Okay, here you go, it is great. And second thing we need, you can color it. Okay, I need this color and we need to duplicate it and we need to add on this area. And okay, we need to delete it. I need to make it better. I can make and we need to see. Okay, here we go, all the things were good. And we need to add on this ChatGPT again, and in this we need to add image generation, generate an image. In this we need to like this and add this form to make image better. Okay, okay, I make a mistake. Okay, we need to execute it. Okay, it's not giving me true to copy paste it. Okay, we need to see. Okay, it's also showing me right. Okay, what we need to do is okay, it's showing me usually, and we need to add. Okay, we need to start it. Okay, we need to pin also. Okay, I have a mistake. We need to see. Okay, we need to put it again. Okay, we need to put it again. Okay, it's put. And what we need to do is delete this. Okay, we need to see it's working. Okay, when it start, I need blue apple and submit it, and it's running. Okay, it's running. It's make better. Okay, it's running and it's giving me the right. Okay, the image was generating and we need to put on Google Drive. Here we go, the Google Drive, and we need to add upload file. Yes, we need to add upload file and we need to add name, everything, and the name was this. Okay, we need to copy and paste on this area. Okay, the image take time. Okay, it's take too much time and it is creating. I will talk you when it is make. Okay, it's make. Need to view. Okay, it's create very good image and high level. Okay, we need to upload on Google Drive and we need to start executing. Okay, starting. Okay, the item was here. We need to see on Google Drive. Okay, I am in Google Drive. Okay, here we go, the blue apple, and we need to see on. Okay, the apple was here and it's like very good. And thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.